This is Lydia Brown from LydiaJBrown.com, and today is day 16 of my 45-day video challenge. And I welcome you. Thank you for visiting me again. Today I'm going to go over using Gmail shortcuts. I find them quite handy and neat, and I'm going to show you how to turn them on and where you can find the shortcuts. So when you're in your Gmail account, go right over here to this, looks like a gear, I call it. click Click on it, the little upside down triangle, and go down to settings. Click settings, and then you're going to see this page that has a whole lot going on, and over the next few weeks we're going to go through all of this. But for now, I want you to scroll down the page until you see keyboard shortcuts right here. And as you can see, by default they're off. So you're going to click on keyboard shortcuts on, and right here where it says learn more, click that. You see it opened another tab. My Gmail account is still open right there. So when you go here to keyboard shortcuts, as you scroll down, you're going to see so many shortcuts. They have the controls for the shortcuts to perform different tasks for Windows and for Mac. Here's one for composing, to send a message. After composing your message, use this combination to send it. Control Enter. Let's see, let's go down. To add carbon copy recipients, there's Control Shift C. So while composing takes you to the CC field, to add recipients, you're going to use that Control shortcut. Okay, let's go down. Let's look at some other ones we have. Okay, here's one shortcut. You use the Shift key for this. You're composing a message. And I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but it's happened to me where I'm composing a message and something comes across my desk and I want to hurry up and send out a quick message to someone else. But the only thing is that that first message I generated will go to draft. And a couple of times I've forgotten it was in draft and did the second message and moved on. And I didn't have any negative consequences over it, but it was annoying to me. But with these shortcuts, with the Shift key and the C and the D, I'm going to show you what happens different. So you just scroll down and you go through. Find there's so many of these different control key, Shift key, and different things. You're just gonna find what benefits you. It doesn't mean that you have to use them all, but find something that, try a few out and see if it helps you be more productive, because that's the bottom line for me. So I don't know if you would have the ability to click on your mouse right key and click print, but one thing I did, because I'm just in the habit of doing it, I will go over here to my left and I click the Windows Snipping Tool, and I just grab the area that I'm most interested in, and then when I save it, it saves as if it was a picture, and then I print it out, because I really didn't want the whole page. Not everything interested me, and not all of it understood me. I understood. I'm still going through a lot of it. So I have the Windows Snipping Tool. You might have Snagit. You might have Jing. If you're interested in using the Snipping Tool, what happened, I was told it's always in Windows by default, but it never showed up as an icon anywhere. And then I found out, just do a search for Snipping Tool in your search box right down at the bottom here, and it'll come up, and once you use it, it'll stay where you can find it. So it's a little hidden thing in Windows, though. I find that it works just as well. I can do little arrows and make little crooked circles, just as I did in Jing or Snagit. So whichever one's readily available, I use it. So that's where the shortcuts are. Go through, memorize a few, and try to use them. So I'm going to go back over here, and the main thing to remember is that you want to bottom and save the changes. So let's go over here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to hit Shift C. Now you see how this box, it pops up really big like that. And normally when you hit compose, it'll be a little smaller box. You probably could widen it. But watch this. Shift C. Wait a minute, hold on. I meant to close that. Now I'm going to hit Shift D. It put the message box into another tab. So I can actually have this in a tab, go here and do Shift C and be doing a message here, and then I can go back and finish my message over there. So it comes in handy. I like that one because I do a lot of messages in a day because I get so many leads, and I like the idea of having two boxes. In fact, the other day I had a situation where I needed to send a message out about a product and a service to three people, but I needed to tweak the message. So I was copy and pasting. So I opened up three of the boxes, copy and pasted, and tweaked for each and sent it out. So it saved me some time. So I hope you like this little tip. Subscribe to my channel. Come back tomorrow. And you don't have to hunt for it if you subscribe, but come back to my channel tomorrow and visit my links down at the bottom. I'll tell you a lot about what I do, the community I'm involved in, my bread and butter. The link is down there, and take care.